Do you feel like no matter how much you earn, money just disappears? In the UAE, many people earn good salaries, but still struggle financially. Today, I'll show you how to become financially successful step by step, even if you're starting from zero. What is financial success? Financial success doesn't mean being a millionaire overnight. It means no stress about bills, having savings or growing your money, and living a stable life in the UAE. Rule 1. Control your spending. First rule: control your expenses. In the UAE, lifestyle can destroy your savings. Expensive rent, eating outside, unnecessary shopping. Backhand index pointing right rule: spend less than you earn, always. Rule 2. Build emergency fund. Second, always have an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Because in the UAE, job loss or visa issues or unexpected expenses can happen anytime. Rule 3. Avoid bad debt. Third, avoid unnecessary loans. Not all loans are bad, but a credit card debt or personal loans without planning can trap you financially. Backhand index pointing right: always think before taking a loan. Rule 4. Start investing. Saving is not enough. You must invest. In the UAE, you can invest in mutual funds, stocks, gold. Backhand index pointing right: start small, but start early. Rule 5. Increase your income. Don't depend on one income. Try side hustle, freelancing, skill upgrade. Backhand index pointing right: more income equals faster financial growth. Common mistakes: most people fail because no budgeting, a lifestyle, inflation, no financial planning. Avoid these mistakes if you want success. Financial success is not luck, it's discipline. If you follow these steps, you can build a strong financial future in the UAE. For more UAE finance tips, subscribe to UAE Money Master.